Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Finding the settings icon in Yahoo Mail is easy once you know where to look. Yahoo recently updated its layout. This change can make things confusing for longtime users. On a computer, you should look at the top right corner of your screen. There is a small icon that looks like a silver gear. It sits right below the home and mail icons. It is also next to your name and profile picture. Clicking this gear will open a sidebar menu. This menu shows basic settings like themes and message layout. For more options, you can click on the link for more settings at the bottom of that sidebar. If you are using the Yahoo Mail app on your phone, the process is different. There is no gear icon on the main screen of the app. Instead, you need to look at the top left corner. You will see your profile picture or your initials in a circle. Tap that circle to open your account menu. A list of options will appear on your screen. Look toward the bottom of this list to find the word Settings. Tap it to change your notification or security options. Sometimes browser zoom levels hide the gear icon on desktop computers. Try pressing the Control key and the 0 key to reset your view. If you still do not see it, check if your ad blocker is turned on. Some extensions hide parts of the page by mistake. Now you should be able to easily manage your account preferences. You can also edit email filters on any device you use every single day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.